Morning student, my name is Anand Vijay. Today we start the new chapter using Excel as a database. That is the chapter 2 and it is the part of class 7 computer subject. What is Excel? Excel, we know that Excel is the uh, row and column format that contains the information, lots of information in the tabular manner. We have defined all the value in terms of row and column format. In Excel, you have find out here is the diagram that is as a database. Database is what? Database collect all the information in the organized manner. How we organize the data? Through Excel sheet, we can use the data is put into the row and column format. We organize the data. So Excel is the good example of database. Here we find out in this example, you have find out there are roll number, name, English, Hindi, math. There are some value, column value, and corresponding fields value. Okay, the column value is also known as field name. The complete record 101, Anju 75, 82, 90, their marks and total and percentage are complete are called record, and the field name individual roll number, name, English, Hindi, that is called field name. It is the complete tabular format. But now the what is new in this chapter? We can enter the data through the form. How we can enter the data through the form? First of all, what is form? Form is the GUI component in the graphical user component that allow to enter the data through the box format. That is the text box. In text box, we can enter the data, we can manipulate, like we can find the data, we can delete the data. Every kinds of operation we have performed here through the form. What is form in Excel 2016? Remember, in Excel 2016 we have add the forms component with our Excel window. How to add the component? At first we have click on the file, then go to the option, and in the Excel open the Excel dialog box. In Excel dialog box, you have find out the quick access toolbar. In quick access toolbar, you have choose the commands from. That is the option choose the command from. In commands from, you have also find out command not in the ribbon. That option you have select, and in particular command not in ribbon option, you have find out the form command. And by clicking on add button, it is added with the quick access toolbar by after pressing OK. So we can do in the practical. How can we do it in the practical? I have already designed a database that contains this kind of value. Again we move to the file. In file we have go to the options. In option you have again we move on to the quick access toolbar. Again quick access toolbar we go to the list section, choose commands from. In choose command from, command not in the ribbon. I have click on that, and again we have find out through the scroll bar where is the form. I move the scroll bar further in the alphabetical manner. All the options are there. In where there is also the form element. Yes, this one is the form. Again by clicking on add, after clicking on OK button, you have find out the form element will be added here. It is the form element, and how it is working. At first you have click on any one single cell and click on form. Look, it can be display the complete roll name, English, Hindi, math, all the fields of the Excel. Again we click on the next, it show the second record. Again click on the next, it show the third record. Again click on previous, it show the previous record. This kind of operation can be performed through the form. Student, that's all for the today. You can do the practical in such manner in your computer system. Thank you and have a good day.